in a world where technology is advancing faster than you can say it by. One question that keeps buzzing around the tech enthusiast minds is, will AI take over programming? It's the epic battle of bits and bots, and we are about to embark on a journey to find out if programmers are headed towards a robotic takeover. So let's cover each component of a coder's work and how AI can work alongside these coders to aid them in their tasks. The rise of machines. Picture this, a futuristic world where AI-driven code wizards can churn out lines of code faster than you can grab a cup of coffee. It's true that AI and machine learning have come a long way, and they are starting to dabble in the world of programming. But let's not forget, they are still learning to tie their virtual shoelaces. AI can assist, suggest, and even automate parts of programming process, but it's not quite ready to take over the reins. The magic of human creativity. Programmers aren't just code monkeys. They are digital wizards crafting solutions with creativity and problem-solving skills that AI can only dream of. Think about it. AI may know the rules of chess, but it can't pull out of a Bobby Fischer level mind bender. The human touch in programming is like a sprinkle of magic dust. It's what makes software more than just a set of cold functional instructions. Collaboration, not domination. Here's the deal. The most exciting future isn't one where AI take over, but where humans and AI work hand in hand in circuitry. AI can handle repetitive tasks, crunch mind-boggling data, and even assist in debugging, while humans focus on big picture, thinking and user-centric design. It's a tag team for the ages, and together they can take on coding challenges that were once thought impossible. What about creativity? One thing AI lacks is a creative soul. It can generate code based on patterns and data, but can it come up with a groundbreaking app idea, a novel game concept, or even a unique website design? Not quite. Creativity, that wonderful spark that drives innovation, is deeply rooted in human experience, and that's something AI can't replicate. AI as the ultimate sidekick. Imagine having an AI sidekick in your coding adventures. It can spot errors, suggest optimizations, and even provide instant coding references. It's like having Sherlock Holmes as your coding buddy, always ready to assist. But let's remember, Holmes needed Watson to bring out his brilliance. The human programmer's creativity and intuition are the perfect complement to AI's analytical prose. Ethical consideration. As we venture into this brave new world, it's crucial to consider the ethical implications. How do we ensure that AI programming does not lead to bias, discrimination, or unintended consequences? Human oversight becomes even more critical in this scenario. It's not just about the code, it's about the ethics of the code, the evolution of jobs. So let's address the elephant in the room. Will AI impact jobs in programming world? Routine coding tasks may become automated, but this could create opportunities for programmers to evolve into their roles focused on AI supervision, ethics, and creativity. Plus, someone has to teach those AI algorithms, right? The crystal ball. Predicting the future of programming is like gazing into a crystal ball with binary code swirling inside. It's safe to say that AI is here to stay and will continue to evolve. But a complete takeover? Not so fast. The heart and soul of programming will always be human, and the bond between programmers and their AI companions will grow stronger. In conclusion, the epic battle of bits and bots might be a tad exaggerated. While AI is a formidable force in the programming world, it won't be dethroning human programmers anytime soon. The future isn't about AI taking over, but about humans and AI collaborating, innovating, and exploring new frontiers together. So fellow tech adventurers, fear not, the robots are our allies in the digital journey, not our rivals. As you ponder the future of programming, remember that creativity, ethics, and human ingenuity are the secret sauce that AI can't replicate. And that, my friends, is what keeps the programming world thrilling and utterly irreplaceably human. So happy coding!
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.